Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time I solved this question right here using the method I showed you for ratios and proportions, and I asked you to solve this question right here. I hope you were able to solve it. If not, I'm going to show you how. A coastal geologist estimates that a certain country's beaches are eroding at a rate of 1.5 feet per year. According to the geologist's estimate, how long will it take in years for the country's beaches to erode by 21 feet? This is a proportion and you can write it like this: 1 year for 1.5 feet and x years for 21 feet. We need to find x. Now, as we did last time, we're going to represent this as a division. 1 divided by 1.5 is equal to x divided by 21. We're going to take the 21 over here and we're going to get 21 divided by 15 times 10, because 1.5 is 15 divided by 10. You can take out 5 here, 3, 2, take out 3, 7, and the answer is 14. So it's a really simple question. You're going to mark the answer as 14. I hope it didn't take too long for you guys. That was the last question in the ratio and proportion series. In next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do questions involving linear equations. I'll see you there.